So when I first got into crypto, one of the first things I bought was a hardware wallet, and I got the hardware wallet called Trezor Model T. Let's have a look at a Trezor Model T. The price of one is 159 euros, and this is a company that is based in Czech Republic. And one of the nice things about the Trezor Model T is that it supports quite a lot of coins, 1,200 coins. If you go to their website, you can see all the different coins that they support. So for my Trezor, I've basically got a physical device that looks like this. And I can either access my account by going onto a web app or a desktop app that you can download. On the Trezor Suite app, it actually supports 13 cryptocurrencies within the hardware wallet. So these are the 13 coins that are available at the moment. And the remaining coins are managed through a third-party wallet, such as Electrum, MetaMask Monero, or Ada Lite, which are referred to as non-native assets. Using a third-party wallet with your Trezor provides the same level of protection for your keys as when using Trezor Suite. So I'll show you in the next lesson how to transfer some Bitcoin from the exchange into a Trezor T wallet. If you want to learn more about trading crypto, I'll leave a link in the description.